Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the future of AI workflow automation as well as also exploring end-to-end and autonomous agents. Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of AI workflow automation and we're talking about the future autonomous agents. I know guys, we'll be looking at the emerging trends and how tools like end-to-end can help you stay ahead in the game. And if you've ever wondered how to future-proof your workflows while also simplifying your processes, this video is for you. So let's make automation work for you. Are you ready? Let's get started. We're going to kickstart this off with autonomous agents. Imagine a world where, now I want you to think with me, right? Imagine a world where AI systems aren't just following instructions, but rather they are actually thinking. They are adapting and also solving problems as well too on their own. And it's like having a digital assistant that can help you make smart decisions without constantly checking back with you. I mean, when you think about it, it really sounds futuristic, right? But I think that's where we are currently. The future is here right now, and autonomous agents are actually leading the way. So think about it this way, these AI agents are not just automating, they're also optimizing as well too. So in my previous video I spoke about an example with customer support, right? So now in the terms of customer support, they are not only answering questions, but they are also predicting what their customers might need next. Now I think that is really smart. In supply chain, for example, they're ensuring that deliveries arrive faster with fewer errors. I mean, that is really cool, but the best part is the fact that they're actually freeing up time for us and to actually do things that really matter. So things around creativity, things around strategy as well, and also innovation too. These are one of the things that AI agents has helped us free up time for. And instead of being bogged down with this repetitive tasks, we can focus on solving bigger problems and coming up with game-changing ideas. I think that's pretty cool. And really, really and truly, let's just even be honest here. Who really does not like a win-win situation like this? Autonomous agents are more than just a trend. They are the backbone of the next big leap into technology. So I think you all should really come in and learn a lot about AI agents. Now, the other point is workflow automation really is the future if you think about it. I mean, let's even connect the dots. Why is workflow automation the backbone of this AI-powered future? Let's think about it together. It is simple. Automation isn't just doing things faster. It's about doing things more but with less time being spent on it. So think about it in this way. Automating repetitive tasks doesn't just save time or reduce errors, it also clears the way for creativity, innovation, and also solving big challenges as well too. And that's where tools like end-to-end actually comes in. And mind you, I'm not here to, I was not paid to sponsor the end-to-end platform. I think it's been a really cool tool that I've had to try and test, and I think it does such a good work really. And end-to-end has become such a secret weapon, such that first of all, it is no code, little or no code, and you can literally use a drag and drop interface for the purpose of this. And this takes away the whole complexity of having to build an AI agent. You don't also have to be a developer or have advanced coding skills to even get started with automation using end-to-end. This is really automation that is designed for everyone. I mean, from a data analyst to even entrepreneurs as well too. It's really good that you come on board and learn how this tool works. So here's the beauty of automation. Imagine you're working on a data project. I know we're all like data elites as well, so just think about it this way. Imagine you're working on a big data project, and instead of manually sorting through thousands and thousands of rows of data, you set up a workflow in end-to-end that literally pulls and process and organize this data while you focus on the insights. I think that's a lot of time being already saved for you, and also focusing it on more things that actually matter. It's really not just about efficiency, which is really good, but it's about empowering you to even think bigger and more creatively in your analysis as well too. And that's where tools like this also shine. So with this no code design, you do not need to be a developer, not at all. You don't need to be a developer to build workflows that connect your favorite apps and AI tools. You don't. You also don't need to have knowledge of intricate coding skills. You don't at all. It's really automation for everyone. Workflow automation isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer at this time, especially in your career. It's about amplifying human potential, and also with tools like this, the possibilities are really limitless. So whether you're automating email campaigns, whether you're syncing data, or you're building smart AI-powered workflows, the future is pretty much in your hands, guys. So you need to learn and come on board as we get started started, or as we are actually moving into the realm of AI agents. So now the question is, what is one task that you would love to automate right now as we speak? What is that one task? Drop it in the comment section. I would really love to hear from you. And how would you also use these tools like n8n to actually make your life a whole lot easier, guys? I really hope you're leveraging on this tool. And that takes me to my third point. Now, the third point is leveraging n8n for AI automation. So let's zero into n8n, which is the ultimate AI sidekick for AI automation. I mean, whether you're a solopreneur or you're running a large enterprise as well too, this open source platform gives you the flexibility to design workflows your own way. And let's talk about how it actually works. So here's what you can actually do with n8n. First of all, you can automate customer sentiment analysis using AI models like OpenAI. I think in one of my YouTube videos I actually did show something like that. I mean, I'll have to check back and really clarify, right? Also, you can also extract and organize data from massive data set. You can also build multi-platform to streamline your own entire operation as well too. And I think that's cool, but that's really just scratching the surface. So on to the next point, that is what is really the future trends in AI workflow automation. What's the next step for AI workflow automation? And here are a few trends I think you should watch out for. The very first one is hyperautomation. So hyperautomation is the future of AI, machine learning, and robotics to automate everything from mundane tasks even down up until the most complex tasks. The second point is also real-time decision making as well too. AI agents are making split-second calls based on live data, and this is also perfect for finance industry, healthcare industry, supply chain as well too, because it's really good that you can actually have AI agents that can help you make informed decisions based on the data that you fed it with. Then the third one is adaptive workflows. AI systems can learn and also adapt to your behavior by creating highly personalized workflow based on the particular task that you want for it to accomplish for you. So I would say that staying ahead of these trends are very, very crucial even at this time. And with tools like n8n, you're already one step ahead. The future of automation is intelligent, agile, and insanely efficient. So how do you get started? How do you dive deep into this world of AI-powered workflows? Here is your beginner guide to even get started. First of all, you need to install n8n. n8n is open source, so you're in full control of your workflows pretty much. Secondly, you can explore some of the templates that are present as well too. There are a lot of developers that have created quite a number of templates in their marketplace in n8n, so you can actually explore that to get started and just like test it out and see how you can best design it to suit your own use case. So you can explore these templates. You can check out the n8n community for ready to use workflows to spark your creativity. I think that's a really good way to get started. The third point is experimenting with AI as well. You can connect n8n with AI tools like OpenAI and also see the magic of automation in action. So getting started is really easy. Like, it's very easy, guys, and once you do, you would wonder how you actually would have managed without it. I mean, no jokes, but I mean, trust me, the possibility is actually endless. So I really want you guys to go and try doing all these like processes and steps I've listed above, and let me know what different tasks you're automating for yourself in the data space. Okay, so we've actually explored autonomous agents, we've talked about the future trends, we've talked about how n8n can actually transform the way you work. Automation isn't just the future, it is the present as well. If you want to stay ahead of the game, now is the time to actually jump in. And if you really found this video helpful, guys, I would love for you to just do one thing: like the button, subscribe as well too, and also put down a comment. I want to know what AI workflow automation would you be building, and do you find this video interesting as well? So I also love some ideas as well to as to the different videos you'd like for me to shoot on this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Ensure to like, share, subscribe, and also comment as well. And also stay curious and keep on innovating. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.